Everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Cornish. I just walk around. I just walk here, walking 1 to 2 hours only to be able to exercise. Also, I'm gain weight because of since the war started. I won't go walking. I always stay at home. That's why I gain weight. See, this Abu Dhabi. Welcome to my vlog. Happy weekend, everyone. The water is low tide today. See it's very deep. Oh. See the water is deep, very deep water. It's low tide because the water is not up. It's low. Anyway, guys, today is weekend. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. The sun is only now coming, but the cloud is covering it. It's raining yesterday. You see the road or the floor is very wet. Until now, there is muddy puddle on the road. Anyway, guys, happy weekend and enjoy your weekend. This is Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. See, that's Cornish Road, Cornish Street. This is Cornish Beach. It's already 9 o'clock. The sun only now is coming out, but the cloud is covered the sun. That's why you cannot see the sun. The sun is not look like sad. The sun look like sad. See? Oh, see, it's good emergency alert is not very open. Very seldom. Only one emergency alert I received a while ago this morning. It's good because very long time. I think it's already 3 weeks or 1 month. I will be able to exercise. That's why I will be able to go walking every Saturday. Before the war, every Saturday I try to come here to walking so that I can exercise also. But now, because of the war, the government advised us that stay at home to be safe than going outside because it's hard. It's more safe inside the house than the open area. Anyway, guys, happy weekend, enjoy your weekend. Here, that side is Mina Port Abu Dhabi. I say that's all the boat, cruise ship, fishing boat is there. That side, the right side. The sun is now coming. It's cloudy because it's raining last night or early morning today. That's why the sun is the cloud is covering the sun. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend, everyone. Sun. Uh, my cellphone was dark. I don't know why. The, the selfie light is dark. I hope it's not dark the photo. The video. See, the beach. This is Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. I just walk 1 to 2 hours to exercise. Only one round here and also one round in Lake Park. I came from Lake Park And before coming here, I tried to exercise because I already gained weight. Since the war started, I won't be able to go walking. I I stay at home only because of the so many emergency alert we receive every day. It's good now, only one emergency alert I received this early morning. That's why I go out because I gain weight already. Became heavy. See, that side is Marina Mall. Mina, Port Abu Dhabi. The Marina Mall is there, oh, the left side. The right side is Mina, Port Abu Dhabi. All the cruise ship, fishing boat, palm boat, all the boat is there in that Mina Port. Anyway guys, happy weekend, enjoy your weekend. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much, bye.